What is up, everybody? Boost on GB here, coming at you, and that's the sign of shitty ignition. And it's also a really good way to almost lose a motor. So, did a little video yesterday on the Rat, or tried to. Ended up being a little too shaky because the camera mount decided to fuck off. And it's also windy. So, decided to fuck off and be all jittery and shaky, and all you heard was the tailgate just smashing around. It wasn't pleasant. And then the engine decided to develop a knock, which turned out to be the distributor cap. So I'll show you in a minute. So when the engine made so much amazing torque the other day, not in the video you guys would have seen, in the one I tried to do, that bolt and the bolt up there on the motor mount decided to just rip out because I tightened them a little too tight and they became a little loosey. So we just decided to put 3/8 bolts with a nut on the other end, and hopefully won't do that. So what ended up happening was, since the engine will pick up on this side, that translated to the distributor. It must have just nicked this corner here, and it just popped this the little L clip off and worked the whole thing over like that. And I think it retarded the ignition, and it was banging against the cap and rotor were making some contact, and it sounded like the bottom end, which it is not. So probably gonna take it out there with a nice in cab this time, so it's not so noisy, because you can still hear it. And I want to get some a shot on this wastegate because it blows some good fire. Hopefully it can do that too, and hopefully it doesn't rip the motor mount off and break that, because that would be nice. So we're gonna go for it. Quiet in here. It still runs. Alright, we're creeping up there on temperature. I think we're done.